Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be guiding you through how to log in to Realboxing 2 with Facebook. If you want to get started and sign into your Realboxing 2 account with Facebook, then here's how you can do it. To get started, open up your Realboxing 2 application on your preferred device. Here in my case, I'm using iPhone. Once you're in this main home page, go ahead and tap on the Friends icon at the top left right next to the gear button. At the bottom right hand menu, you should be able to see the login and the Facebook logo. Simply tap on it and follow through the on-screen prompts. Tap the continue button in the pop-up to allow Realboxing 2 to use your Facebook account. This will now take you to a web browser. Here you'll need to go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credential and tap on open. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to open up your Facebook app. Tap the continue button in order to sign into Facebook. Now tap on the open button to open up Realboxing 2 via Facebook. And there you have successfully logged into Realboxing 2 using your Facebook account. Now the application will take data from your Facebook account and you'll also be able to see your profile update at the top left. That was how you can easily connect your Realboxing 2 account with Facebook and sign in. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.